Hello everyone, this is the General speaking once again. I was just running a machine update here and everything. Recently, as you know, my 680i motherboard, the P6N Diamond, was damaged some. There was a MOSFET failure. I sent it back to MSI and nothing got done about it, so I fixed the board myself. Eventually the board started to break down further, so I went ahead and bought a new board. This is the EVGA 780i. I have 8 gigs of RAM, DDR2 1100, a GeForce 8800 GTS 640 from MSI, an X-Fi Sound Blaster Titanium Fatality. I also have a Q6600 processor. I have that overclocked at about 3 gigahertz and stuff. 6 Raptors in RAID 0, and the water cooling DIY and so forth. With this board, it's a refurb. I had a few issues with the socket being damaged. Obviously, some idiot didn't know how to operate a socket 775 processor and caused damage to the socket itself. But with some equipment, I fixed the issue. Now I have a secondary issue. The water block can only be tightened so much or the processor won't make contact anymore. So eventually I'm going to have to fix that issue again, but the system's running perfect. 750 watt power supply. I have the North Bridge actively cooled and stuff because it gets pretty hot. 780i is a stable board overall. It overclocked much better than my 680i when it was a normal state. I ran a few tests out on this board. I'd say it's much more stable. It runs fast, speedy, and it's a lot more swift than my last board and some of the issues that I had. Come here on the front, and as you can see, my temperature systems and all that good stuff as usual. Same old fan switches, all that good stuff. You know how it is on this machine. Same thing. Z5500. Some setup up there, all that good stuff. There's basically nothing else to the machine, so that was just a slight overview of everything that's been done to it. You come in here and see some of the good stuff in there. Yep, it's all good, same old, same old. Eventually I'm going to upgrade that video card next, and I'll be looking out at the market for socket 1366 processors and some DDR3 and all that good stuff. Right now the market doesn't look that great for the product since they're just coming out. I'm probably going to wait till 32 nanometer comes out and do some good action with that. And that's all. Here's an update on my PC. The General is out.